Follow the steps on how to make a banner set like this in Adobe Illustrator. First, activate the rectangular grid tool and set it like this. Remove the stroke. Press K for Live Paint Bucket and select black. Start coloring the grid like this. Press V, then go to Object and expand. Press O. Click here, then copy Reflect. Select Pathfinder, click Unite, and make compound shape. Press A and select halfway. Press Shift and arrow to lengthen. Resize if necessary. Fill it with a gradient with settings like this. This is only optional. If you want a flat color, that's fine too. Press T and add text above it. And position it in the center of the object. I will copy it. Click and press G to edit. Double-click here and change the color. For others, the method is the same. For alternatives, select and right-click, transform and shear. Then adjust the angle. Finished. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.